Are there real health benefits to cocoa? When it's the superfood kind of cocoa, you can bet there are. Yes, I'm going to show you how to enjoy the flavor of chocolate every day without the guilt, without the fear, without the trepidation, without the worry in just a moment. Wait, do not go start eating chocolate, all that you can find. This is not a license to gorge on cake, ice cream, cookies, and candy bars that you like. Those kinds of chocolate are the not healthy kind. Those are the overprocessed, mass-produced, ultra-sugary versions of chocolate. Delicious? Yes. Healthy? No. But before all the sugar is added, before the flavor is stretched out into the thin, tiny little bars as possible, we have the humble cocoa bean. It all starts right here. All those chocolate companies, commercials, rows and rows of candy bars, and entire world industry all built on this little bean. This little bean contains a lot of real-world benefits before those industries got their dirty little hands on it. And let me introduce to you the polyphenols. Now, these natural antioxidants can be found in veggies and fruits. They're also found in wine and especially cocoa. Cocoa has more polyphenols in it than almost any other food. And why are these so great for us? They help promote the body's response to inflammation. They can also help support healthy cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels as well. Polyphenols can help promote healthy blood flow along that comes with a healthy heart and a healthy mind as well. And in spite of popular belief, cocoa, without any naughty additives, contains nothing that may cause acne. In fact, it contains many qualities that are really good for your skin. However, most of the benefits I just mentioned are all lost once the cocoa is processed and once it's sugared up by those cocoa industries. That's the problem. Chocolate is one of the most famous and desired flavors all over the world. So industries have gone a long way to make that flavor stretch out as thin as possible. So they add a lot of sugar, they add a lot of fat. And by the time we get a hold of the chocolate bar, there's nothing good left except the flavor, of course. Now, more and more people are turning to cocoa powder. This can be added into your favorite smoothies, into your recipes, and more, and it's a great way to get the best of both worlds. Let's take this a step further. This, my friend, is currently my favorite Organifi product. It features organic cocoa, plus it's made of my 9 favorite superfoods from all over the world. Things like turmeric, ginger, we got turkey tail in here, we got coconut and reishi mushroom, which is one of the most powerful medicinal mushrooms on the planet right here. It's packed with antioxidants, it's packed with adaptogens, vitamins and minerals. And now, the best time to get this is right now, because we have a chocolatey blend that tastes ridiculous. Being healthy has never tasted so good. You can make it warm like I do, a rich chocolate dessert after dinner. If you're used to having dessert, you got a sweet tooth. I used to have a sweet tooth till I found this right here, right now. I like it hot. I like it cold, to be honest. Cold gold, game changer. Absolutely incredible. Actually, when you order 3 jars or more, you can save a ton of money in the process. All you need to do is click the video or click the link in the description. I'm Drew Canoli. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, we're in this together.